Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Kautilya IAS. So guys, if you are new to the channel, first make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about best geography optional coaching. So without any further ado guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, like I always say, choosing a correct optional for your UPSC preparation is of immense importance because the correct optional will not only help you clear this task exam but will also help you achieving a good rank in the final results. So yes guys, that itself speaks that how much important it is to choose the correct optional. Here guys, I would always like you to please go through the subject list of the UPSC so that you know that which subject will be correct for you. So guys, here the one thing that I would like to say is that please don't go on choosing the subject that you did graduation in. Wait. Before you start to question what is he saying, hear me out. What I'm trying to say is guys, many a times we do graduation in a subject just for the eligibility of maybe UPSC or other exams, or maybe because we did not get like time to explore other subjects, right? So in this regard, I would just like to say that please go through the subjects and then take the one in which you think you will have the highest scoring potential guys, because in the end scores is what matters for you, right, for the UPSC exam. So yes guys, to score better and to understand these subjects, the one thing that's going to be really helpful for you guys is a good coaching guys, because the good coaching will not only help you understand this subject but will also teach you all the various things in this subject. So guys, if you are a beginner who has taken a completely new subject in which he has zero knowledge and has never like studied it before, then guys a good coaching will really help you in going through all the parts, the tough parts, the easy parts, and then help you understand the subject. So guys, in this regard, I would like to take the name of a few of coachings which I think are the best at the moment for you for your optional preparation. So let's get started with the list guys. So guys, the first place undoubtedly goes to Plutus IAS, because guys Plutus IAS when it comes to optional preparation is one of the best because they have the best faculty, best service and pretty much the best results every year. In this year also guys, a total of 9 candidates realized their dream of becoming a UPSC aspirant, a UPSC officer with the help of Plutus IAS guys. So that itself speaks guys what kind of level of sincerity they are following at their coaching guys. And also guys, there was not it. If you think that that's just all they are doing, no. Among those candidates guys, 3 were in the top 30%. That's a huge thing guys when it comes to an exam like UPSC in which lakhs of students appear every year. So yes guys, some of the key things about Plutus IAS is guys expert faculty. The faculty at Plutus IAS is expert guys when it comes to optional preparation. They have expert faculty for every optional possible guys. So no matter what option you have taken, you can find the best faculty at Plutus IAS. Second thing is guys, doubt clearing sessions guys. The doubt clearing sessions are always held guys periodically so that the aspirant is able to clear his doubts then and there and it's not gets piled up guys. And the third thing is guys, the good quality of study material that they provide. Yes guys, the study material provided by Plutus IAS is of exceptional quality guys, and you can just go on studying without even referring other books. With just the help of the study material of Plutus IAS, you will pretty much even aim to clear this exam. So yes guys, these are some of the beneficial features of Plutus IAS, and if you are an aspirant guys are in the lookout for a good quality coaching for the optional preparation, then I would highly suggest you check out the Plutus IAS. So guys, moving on with our list, the next place, or just to see the name, this list is not guys in any particular order, so please keep that in mind. Anyway, so guys, the next name that I'm going to take is Yojana IAS. So guys, if you are an aspirant who is from a Hindi background or whose grasp of other languages is not that great, then I would highly suggest that you choose Yojana IAS, because when it comes to Hindi preparation guys, they are the best. They give Hindi medium coaching to all the aspirants guys for UPSC guys, and then don't think guys they are lacking behind because they are using Hindi language guys. They are at par with all the other coachings which are using different kinds of languages guys. So yes guys, if you are an aspirant who is from maybe a Hindi background or whose other languages are not that very strong and is the lookout for a good quality coaching, who is going to help you not only understand your optional but also help you in preparation for your prelims, for your mains exams, guys, then I would highly suggest that you please check out Yojana IAS, because it is definitely going to be very helpful for you guys. And yes guys, the faculty at Yojana IAS is again very experienced, guys, and they are able to explain all the tough topics in Hindi also, guys, without needing the help of any other language. So yes guys, if you are an aspirant who is in the lookout for a good quality coaching in Hindi language, then you should definitely check out Yojana IAS. So moving on with our list, the third place that I would like to talk about is, guys, the Hindu Zone. So guys, the Hindu Zone is an online platform which lists all the coachings that are available in different kinds of the country, guys. It's more like, guys, a guidance counseling center, guys, where you get guidance for which coaching you should take and which coaching you should not take, because it has pretty much listed everything on its website. You just have to go to the website and maybe select the coaching or teacher that you want to study from. So in this way, guys, the Hindu Zone provides a lot of flexibility to the students, because now you don't have to be like, oh my god, I taken admission in this coaching, now how will I maybe understand this subject, because this subject is not being taught nicely by it. Well, then you don't have to worry, because with the help of Hindu Zone you can explore different kinds of coaching that are available in different parts of the country. And yes guys, one more thing that they provide is the facility of free counseling, guys. Yes guys, the Hindu Zone provides free counseling so that the students who are confused at which coaching they should take and which teacher they should choose, well, all those confusion will be cleared with the help of free counseling. So yes guys, this were my top recommendations for the best coachings for optional preparation right now, guys. And if you are an aspirant and the lookout for a good quality coaching for an optional preparation, I would highly suggest that please keep these names in your mind. That is the Yojana IAS, the Plutus IAS, the Yojana IAS, and the Hindu Zone. So yes guys, that was pretty much all in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then you know what to do. Please hit that like button, and also please hit that subscribe button, because that keeps us motivated for making more such informative videos for you all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep preparing.